Hey, Michael Burns from Active Training Consultants. As you can tell, it's casual day here in the office. In fact, right behind me, as you can tell, there is a bear hanging from the ceiling fan. And yes, that bear is wearing a harness. Speaking of that, I'm going to quick cover scissor lifts a second. Many people believe that you don't have to wear a harness on a scissor lift. Now, I'm telling you right now, there is not a standard out there. OSHA does not have a standard that says you have to wear a harness on a scissor lift. However, OSHA will go by whatever ANSI says. So if you look up ANSI A92.6 2006 for self-propelled elevating work platforms, it says fall protection. The guardrail system of an aerial platform provides fall protection. If occupant or occupants of the platform are required to wear personal fall protection equipment, occupants shall comply with the instructions provided by the aerial platform manufacturer regarding anchorages. So if you look on those scissor lifts, there's little stickers everywhere that says, hey, this is where you tie off to. So you got your harness on, you've got your positioning lanyard, and that's where you're supposed to tie off on. So if you look at the manual of a scissor lift, we'll just say Skyjack, okay? So Skyjack model SJIII 4740 states everything that I just read to you about ANSI. Okay, it has that in there. Plus, it goes even further and says if additional fall protection is required by an employer or the authority having jurisdiction, Skyjack recommends the use of a fall restraint system to keep an occupant within the confines of the platform and thus not expose the occupant to any fall hazard requiring a fall arrest. Because we all know, we go out there and we see it every day. People are standing on that mid-rail. I've seen it. I've seen people sitting on that mid-rail, okay? This is why they want you to wear the harness with the positioning lanyard. If something were to happen, okay, some traumatic event, somebody falls, breaks a leg, or even dies, okay, we know that OSHA is going to come out there. OSHA is more than likely going to cite you, all right? And again, they don't have a standard when it comes to those harnesses on a scissor lift, but they will get you with the general duty clause, which is under section 5A1 of the OSHA Act, which pretty much tells the employers that they have to furnish to each of the employees employment which is free of any recognized hazards which are going to cause death or serious injury. In a nutshell, that's what that means. All right? So if you have any questions, give me a call, 231-629-7006. As always, just be safe. That's it. Have a good day, guys.